This is now the 85th time that we've done this. There are over 300 of you from Boy Scout troops and packs, Cub Scout packs and Girl Scouts from all over the California Inland Empire Council and its 7 districts. My name is Greg Horder. I am the chair for the Gray Arrow District, and I wanted to formally welcome you to today's event. First, let me introduce Redlands Mayor Mario Saucedo.
Thank you, Greg. Good morning. What a wonderful day here in the city of Redlands, and on behalf of the city of Redlands, our employees, our residents, we welcome you here to the city of Redlands, and we hope that you have a great Lincoln pilgrimage and a reminder of what this day is all about. Growing up here, I participated in the Lincoln Pilgrimage Parade for a number of years. So on behalf of our city council and our residents, we want to welcome you here to the city of Redlands.
It's an honor to be here today. This shrine and this gathering are just 2 of many things that make Redlands a very special place. And so it truly is an honor to be here today. Among all the other attributes that Abraham Lincoln had, he was believed to be, and then later historians found him to be, a praying man. He once remarked to an intimate friend who was a judge, and this is a quote, "I've been driven many times upon my knees by the overwhelming conviction that I had nowhere else to go. My own wisdom and that of all about me seemed insufficient for that day."
Color guard forward march. Color guard prepare to post the colors. Out salute. For guests not in uniform, please put your right hand over your heart. Post the colors. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. 2.
Well done. Thank you, Troop 357, and thank you to the Camp Carlton Band for their playing of the national anthem. In a number of ways, this is an especially special Lincoln pilgrimage. This being 2026 is the 250th anniversary of our nation's Declaration of Independence. President Lincoln is a big fan of the Declaration, and in one or more of his speeches, he certainly referred to it. And at a minimum, it was a guiding light for him as he endeavored to keep a union together. And so I would like to call to the microphone, although at the moment I can see he's a wee bit distracted campaigning for re-election. President Lincoln, would you please come to the microphone? I mean, there are grand entrances, and then there's this. There he is. Let me formally welcome President Lincoln to the stage.
good morning, Scouts and Scout families. This was a little spontaneous for me, and sometimes I may say the wrong thing, and when I do, it makes the papers, and Mary doesn't like that at all. But I am proud of every one of you young man and young woman who is here today, who took the time out to be in the parade, to march proudly all the way over here. I can see a beautiful future in your life. And us older ones, we need you to help us out. But we need victorious young people to take up that banner that we, our generations in the past, have fought so hard to keep flying day and night in many instances, that we can all stand proudly under it and thank the good Lord for all the blessings that He has given us. We need you young ones to carry that on. Well, thank you again once more for being here. Have a wonderful day, and if you stick around and mosey, you will learn a lot of new things, hopefully, that you didn't necessarily learn in school. We go above and beyond here. So thank you again.
As is the custom with these pilgrimages, a patch is designed by a scout. Many of you are wearing it in your uniforms today. And there is one scout in this group that designed the patch, and I would like to call her forward to be recognized for that achievement. Will Justice Llewellyn please come to the stage? For 60 years, a floral arrangement in honor of President Lincoln is placed in the shrine at this occasion. Will the scouts from Girl Scout Troop 170, Pack 157, and Troop 2000 please come forward to present the flowers?
Proudly all the way over here. I can see a beautiful future in your life.